The Garment Master Vertical Carousel is Vidir's newest product for storing garments of all types in areas with high ceilings. Now you can store many products in one location and with a push of a button, locate the item or items you need in a safe and quick manner. No more are ladders needed to climb through rows and rows of racking, trying to find and retrieve a product. With the Garment Master, every stored product is just a touch of the button away from being retrieved in just a matter of seconds. Before using your new carousel, let's take a few minutes and get familiar with machine controls and safety features. The main power disconnect. The push button forward and reversing switch. Emergency stop button. Front and rear guarding and enclosures. Carriers with heavy-duty hanger bars. Product containment end plates. Now that you know what the basic features are, let's see how they work. The main power disconnect must be on for the machine to operate. Turning the switch to the on position will provide power to the entire machine. In the off position, there is a spot that allows you to put a lock on the machine when you want to keep others from using it, or to safely work and be sure no one accidentally turns on the power. The push button up and down switch allows the machine to be rotated in a forward or reversing direction so that you can rotate the machine to the quickest point for getting to your desired product. Once you've found your item, simply release the button and the machine will stop. An emergency stop button is located at each end of the machine. Depressing that switch will immediately stop the machine from running and keep it from operating until the switch is pulled out, resetting the unit. If you ever attempt to use your machine and it does not operate, check the emergency stop buttons first, since the unit will not rotate until they are reset. If your Vidir garment carousel is equipped for automated operation, the following operating instructions apply. Turn on the main power disconnect switch by rotating clockwise to the on position. This provides power to the entire machine. The automation control panel is located directly above the main power switch. Using the keypad, enter the following sequence of numbers: 4, 3, 2, 1, and then press the green Enter key. This security feature prevents unauthorized use. Using the keypad once again, enter the 2-digit garment carrier number you wish to access, and press the green Enter key. The carousel will logically travel in forward or reverse, taking the shortest path to the newly desired carrier number. Upon the arrival of your selected carrier, you can load and unload garments as necessary, and then repeat the process of selecting another carrier to work with. If during any of these tasks you run into a problem, or you don't know how to proceed, the blue Help button on the top right of the automation control panel can assist you. Otherwise, read the owner's manual that came with your garment carousel. As with the non-automated carousel model, please adhere to a maximum garment length of 46 inches for safe operation. The automated carousel's carrier bars are marked off into numbered zones, enabling complete merchandise location control. And always be aware of the maximum load capacity of each carrier bar. For additional operational safety, an optional light curtain is available that immediately shuts the machine off if an unsafe condition exists. Make sure garments stay within the garment carrier end plates. Never try to access hanging garments while the carousel is running. Never move a garment dolly or any other movable object into the operational path of the carousel while it is running. For further assistance outside the scope of this video, consult your Vidir representative. The front and rear enclosures keep items from getting stuck in or out of the carousel. Always be sure the products you place on the machine are hung correctly and not beyond the space allotted. Never insert hands or items into your machine at any time while in use. The carrier hanger bars are designed to allow products to be hung from standard hangers. Never double hang, overlap, or hang a product that is too long on a carrier. Products that touch the next carrier or drag on the floor are too long and should be removed for safe operation of this machine. The product containment end plates are designed to keep products safe and within the acceptable storage parameters. Always be sure to tuck all hanging items inside the end plates so that they do not become entangled in the operating chains. Our carousels are designed to be used with balanced product loads. It is very important to load the machine balancing items from side to side and from top to bottom at all times. This is especially true when first loading the machine. Carousel carrier bars loaded all to one side or all at the top or the bottom may not rotate properly and could possibly cause damage to the machine. To load properly, begin by pushing the up and down button, moving the carrier hanger bar into the optimum load position for your height. Hang the products on the carrier hanger bar, making sure to evenly distribute from side to side. Confirm items do not exceed the maximum length allowable. Doing so could cause them to become entangled and drag on the adjacent carrier or the floor below. Once the first carrier bar has been loaded, rotate the machine and skip a few hanger bars so the load is equally spaced around the number of empty positions on the machine. This ensures the load will be balanced from top to bottom, enabling the machine to rotate freely. Caution: never load one hanger bar right after another. Doing so will likely result in the machine becoming unbalanced and unable to properly rotate the weight of each carrier's load. If this occurs, carefully unload the carousel until it once again rotates freely without strain or effort.